Funny how family will hurt you deeper than strangers ever could, and then act like you're the one who changed. They'll talk about loyalty and blood, but the second you need them, silence. Not one hand, not one call, nothing. And the worst part, you kept forgiving them because the world told you that's family. Nah, sometimes family is the first lesson in boundaries. You were there when they needed help, support, money, stability, whatever. But when it was you bleeding, they disappeared. They didn't break you accidentally. They did it because they knew you'll still care. They thought your heart made you weak. But now you're done. You're done being the emotional punching bag. You're done being the one who fixes everything they destroy. If family can't respect you, support you, or treat you like a human being, then they don't get the privilege of calling you family. Blood doesn't make someone loyal. Actions do. And from now on, titles don't mean shit. Respect does.